In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily access and review your past purchases on Amazon through their website. This can be particularly useful when you want to keep track of your orders or if you're considering returning an item and need to check its details. So let's dive right in on how to navigate to your order history. To get started, you'll first want to go to the Amazon website. Open your web browser and type in https://www.amazon.com. Once the page loads, if you're not already signed in, you'll need to log in with your credentials. Having an account set up with your correct login details is crucial, as this is what will allow you to access your purchase history. Signing in is typically straightforward. Just enter your email and password, and you'll be in. Now that you're on the main Amazon page and logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner. Here, you will find a tab labeled Returns and Orders. This section is your gateway to finding all the items you've ordered and possibly managing returns if needed. Go ahead and click on Returns and Orders, which will seamlessly guide you to a comprehensive list of everything you've purchased. Once you've clicked through, you'll be presented with your Amazon order history. This page is quite handy and user-friendly, showing each item you've bought laid out in chronological order. Generally, the most recent purchases appear at the top, making it easy for you to review your latest transactions. Within this list, you can find specific order details, including delivery status, order dates, and even the options to reorder or see more about past orders. If you're looking at these items for the first time, it might come as a delightful revelation how organized everything is. You can browse through to check if your item has been shipped, track your package if it's in transit, or confirm a past delivery. It's a real time saver, especially if you have multiple orders or want to revisit a particular purchase for any reason. I hope this step-by-step guide helps you feel more comfortable navigating through Amazon to review your orders quickly and efficiently. Remember, this process is designed to streamline your experience, making it easy to manage and keep track of your Amazon purchases. Whether you're doing it for personal tracking or potential returns, accessing your past orders is now a breeze. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy shopping and see you in the next video.